Hello friends. My followers and my subscribers, they always ask me that what do they do to manage their stress and their cortisol level. Now, astrologically, if your moon, which represents your subconscious mind, is sitting with any malefic planets in the same house, that is Mars, Saturn, Rahu or Ketu, or maybe if these negative or malefic planets aspects your moon, you will see that you'll always have anxiety and your cortisol levels when you wake up in the morning are much higher. So to reduce your cortisol level and even to reduce your glucose, if you are diabetic, you take this smoothie which I'm going to share with you. It's a secret ingredients smoothie, very easy to make. I take it to reduce my cortisol level and I'm wearing a glucose monitor just to see how it affects me. And I will show you after I take this smoothie in 1 hour, does it spike my glucose or not? You can take this smoothie to reduce your cortisol level the days you are in anxiety. If you're a day trader, if you're a stock trader, the anxiety, the cortisol is the killer. You will always take a bad decisions if you have a higher cortisol. So watch this video till the end and see how I make this smoothie and what are the ingredients I put in. And you can take it, you can give it to your kids also. You will see the massive change in your mindset, in your thought process, even in your body, your glucose level. So I'll go over with the list of ingredients, what you need to make this smoothie, which will control your cortisol level and reduce your glucose spike also. So first you need is a steel cut oats. Then you need is the almond milk, unflavored, unsweetened. Then you need blueberries, the fresh blueberries. Then you need a roasted flaxseed powder. Then you need ashwagandha powder. This is optional, you can add it. Ashwagandha really helps you reduce your stress levels. And then you can add a maca powder, which I added. It's very good to improve your hormonal balances. It's optional again, you can delete it if you don't find it. And then you need a whey protein isolate. This is the brand I take. You can take any brand, but it has to be sugar-free, only with stevia or no sugar. This is a vanilla flavor whey protein isolate, which I will use in my smoothie. Now I'll mix these ingredients and show you how smoothie comes out to be. I will use this scoop to measure 2 scoops of my steel cut oats. What I will do is first, I will extract it to make it a powder form so that it's easy to drink. And then I will add my other ingredients. So in this jar, I have 2 scoops of steel cut oats, 250 ml of almond milk, 1 scoop of protein powder, a handful of blueberries, 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, 1 teaspoon of maca powder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon also in that to make it even more delicious and also help you reduce your glucose spike. And this is where I'm going to put some more ice in it and grind it and make my smoothie and show you how it looks like. Here's my smoothie is ready. It's very smooth and very much all the ingredients are well blended. And let me taste it. It's amazing. You will love it, friends. Try this and you will see how healthy this is. It will reduce your glucose spike. I'm wearing it and I will measure it after drinking my smoothie. And it will also reduce your cortisol level. Drink it every day and you can also give it to your kids.
Cheers. I like the smoothie what my dad makes. It helps me make my mind relaxed and it helps me focus on my studies.
Cheers, Ariana. Cheers. Here you can see that, friends, that my glucose is well in range, 5.6 mmol after 1 hour of having my smoothie. So it has no glucose spike or no crashes. This is what you need to control your glucose spike and also to control your cortisol levels.